Careful to the top. Dang.
Okay? There's no one from Steve.
Dang, dude. Yeah, I don't know.
I think you guys need it. Yeah.
Look at the steam. Wait, it's hot, mister.
Uh,
It's hot. Está caliente, ¿no?
Yeah, go for it.
You want to turn this off?
Yeah, it's on.
I feel like it's still hot, huh?
The glow on it. I would glow on it.
All right.
Oh, maybe we're not.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
Put yours here.
And then if Andrea and David come over after sunrise, Yogi has a second, the second set.
Here when you decide.
Can you grab one more
all right, Jerry.
with bold recipes and bold flavors, just like his music style is.
Pray tell Steve, what were his music styles?
What about your friends? Are they gonna let you down? Are they gonna be alright? I'm gonna chop this out for there.
Think it's funny. Think it's funny. Huh?
I'm so excited to throw this in there.
Good job, Jeremy.
Those look great. No, Can you grab it for me? I'm so sorry. Okay. Now dice that up a little bit.
That's a little tortilla there, basically.
Like this, right? Yeah. All right, so you're just gonna squash it out. You ready?
Well, how exactly like?
So
Put it right over it and then just.
crush it. Your palm, and coming down top of the knife like this. Do you want to try it out, or do you think you want to use a can of beans?
Candy beans.
All right. All right. This garlic is diced. Okay. Okay. Now, if you don't like this, I get you a leaves or roots, or even fruits themselves. Fruits are the part. Huh? Yep. Me? I grew up. So when I was a kid, we had there was very few programming. There wasn't as much programming for kids. So you can. You want to throw those in there? All right. Okay. So I want to make sure they're touching the. We like the cup in half, so it's all I'm actually gonna do this one way.
Perfect. Jeremy.
Chef to his boss. Two more good cuts.
You got this, Jerry.
Nice. Nice. All right.
Nice.
Sorry,
It's basically like you're playing like the violin, you could say, you know?
and that way you don't have to put all that power in. Because before you said, I am the Hulk. But you can be like, I'm Hawkeye. All right. All right. You want to try it, Joel?
Yeah.
So use fingernails. All right, hold it down and then cut right here. Okay? And then you're gonna saw it. All right.
Nice.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna do the same thing here. Fingernails to hold it. As little of your fingers as possible. Now try saw right here. All right, perfect. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start sanitizing. Okay. So if you guys want to take a look and see what's happening.
I'm gonna stop.
And then you can see, like, you see, be able to see, like, if your chicken isn't turned different color, see, that says need more seasoning. Like, go ahead. All right, so I'm gonna add some more, like,
Get in there here. There you go. Yeah. Oh. Hold up. Tell her I have chicken in my hand. Oh, okay. Hold up. Hold on. This is important.
okay, you guys want to mix? Chicken? I'm so sorry. Get in there. Cracked pepper. Try how to use it.
What do I need to do?
So you need to take off your gloves. I'm sorry.
This one? The chicken one?
Yeah, no chicken fingers. You need to take off both your gloves actually.
Oh.
I had to wash all these. So you're gonna give me a good twist.
Twist what? This?
So you're gonna hold this part still with one hand, and then twist. This part you hold still. Yeah, take off your chicken glove. So you're gonna hold this one still. This part, see how this part bends? You're gonna hold it still. Like, don't let it move. Hold it tight. And then twist this part. So I'm gonna hold this part still and twist the top here with this hand. Got it? All right, yes, good, you guys.
We can't reach. Can you bring me a little bit? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Head girl. Each piece of chicken needs about 3 shakes. So can you give me 3 shakes? Don't be shy. Yeah, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. One more. Don't forget luck. All right, George. Give me 3 shakes of lemon pepper. All right. That thing blows up, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on temperature. Now, listen. This chicken hasn't had a tan. All right.
I don't think she'll be able to do it.
Okay, so you want this one, Shannon? All right, look at it.
To get on my face.
Now keep in mind, that hand is a chicken hand from now on.
Chicken hand.
That's a chicken hand.
Chicken hand.
So, don't be snapped. You ready for a chicken hand? If you guys want to go ahead and just feel, like, if you want to feel, go ahead and put a piece of chicken in there, just so you can feel like what it feels like. Now keep in mind, that hand is a chicken hand from now on. That's a chicken hand. So, don't be snapped.
Jerry, you got chicken hand?
You ready for a chicken hand? All right, no, it's okay. There's no wrong way to handle a chicken except for you can't throw it across the room. That's the wrong way to handle a chicken thigh. Okay, I'll throw it in there. Okay. All right. Try that one.
That's always good.
These ingredients. All right, so we bought some chicken. Usually we'll go shopping together. This chicken for all these chicken thighs, it is only $7. Okay, we get $7. But do you guys think this could feed your whole family? Like,
No, we're foodies.
Really small pieces,
Yeah, we're sharing.
small bites.
okay.
Hey, Jared.
So what we're gonna do is so I'm gonna pass around these spices, okay? I'm gonna open them up. I want all of you to smell them and figure out, is this something you want in your food? Is this a smell you want in your food? Is this a taste you want in your food? And then we'll kind of choose our spices, okay? So like, we'll probably use at least 2 of these. So you guys wanna go ahead and smell them and take one, pass down, smell it?
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper? You like it? You wanna take a smell?
Look at this, Tori.
Ooh.
I like that. You like it?
Yeah, that's always good. What is this, spicy?
Smell that one?
This is our favorite.
Right?
This is our favorite.
Put extra on. Smell.
That one smells yummy. Lemon pepper. I say lemon pepper and chili powder.
I see. So there's a lot of people who are like lemon pepper, chili powder.
Yeah.
So I know everyone like that lemon pepper.
You like the smell? Smells good, huh?
Here you go, sister.
All right.
Put it in there.
There you go, Jeremy.
Okay. Now the reason why we're using gloves is because chicken can have the thing called salmonella. Okay. And some people are like, oh, should you wash chicken? Should you not wash chicken? And that's a debate. But what is not a debate is whether we should make sure we handle chicken with care. So I'm gonna have to clean this table before we even start vegetables. I'm gonna have to spray it on this table, and before we even start using vegetables, because we can't mix the vegetables and the chicken juices.